Finally, Sean P. Diddy Combs is indicted on trafficking, racketeering, and kidnapping. The indictment alleges that Diddy lured women by making them feel that they would be involved in a romantic relationship with him, and then used threats which caused the victims to engage in acts with, let's just call them men of the night. The indictment also mentions those parties that Cassie brought up, calling them elaborate and produced performances that Diddy arranged, directed, and often electronically recorded. And after said parties, Diddy and the victims typically received IVs to recover from the physical exertion and the use of illegal substances. The indictment also references what was seized in the Beverly Hills crib when Homeland Security ran through there, and what was found was various supplies for those Diddy parties. They also seized firearms, including 3 AR-15s with scratched off serial numbers. Okay, dog, so you just a straight up criminal in every sense of the word. Which shouldn't come as a surprise to anyone. The court docs also include allegations of